Hey Albert, track fans. Hey Wilfred, how you doing? Welcome to episode 103. We're gonna have a great time tonight. So busy week, busy last weekend. Got 2 episodes out. I hope you enjoyed those. They were quite good. Really interesting about the Mercedes. To any enthusiasts out there, really sometimes problem solving is as simple as that. So we'll get into electrics maybe later in the year or early next year and do some real hard-nosed Scalextric stuff. But in the meantime, guys, what we got is the next track. I've got it right here. This is what we're going to do. We're going to do this one. Get some focus. There you go. This is the one. We did this one last time. This is the one we're doing this time. And what I noticed when I was doing this bit is that it's going to be very difficult to get exactly the same track with digital because these were made from classic. So let me see if I can rotate this and just show you a little bit down here. This is like on the go stuff. This is so generally I think it turned out okay. So a quick turn this way. What do you think? So no further ado, let's get into some match previews. What am I talking about? Race previews and then the race, and stay tuned to the end for the outtakes, which are always quite comical. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Enjoy. See you later, Albert. Take care, Wilfred track fans. Hey Albert, hey Wolf, hey track fans. We are trackside and we have got the Mercedes AMG GT3, exactly the one that we actually fixed the headlights on in the last episode. It's the Daytona version. We love this car. So let's just race. Let's drive straight into Hammond around the track. This one here, as we said, is 5.2 in the 27 circuits for Scalextric's car, and it is good. I've not wiped the track down since yesterday, so it might be a little bit drifty. I do like it. It is a fast track. Oh, kick out there, kick out. Too fast into the track here, Albert. Nice drift. I don't know if you got that on the camera, but it looked amazing from where I'm stood here behind the pole position where it says Arc Pro. Hi guys, there you are. So what have you been up to this week, Albert? Have you been up to much? Wilfred, are you walking over Alfred's homework yet? Because that's always a great excuse, Albert. Yeah, my brother ate it. So that's all good. I don't know if anyone else is back to school. If you are, concentrate and do well. And then if you get a job that you love to do, you'll never work another day in your life. Listen to the revs on that. Get close. Oh yeah, can he make it? Come on, will him. He is spinning everywhere. Will he pull it round? No. Oh, there he goes. He's derailed. It was a wishful thinking that he could keep that on the track. But anyway, let's carry on. So, Mercedes AMG GT3. I might put a little banner up there to link it to the last episode that we had it in. But it's quite an old car to us, but we dragged it out and we like to drive it. I like this. So I've got Pal coming over later for some racing. It won't be a massive race on this track, but I tell you what, this little curly swirly bit here, oh, crash, is that bit there. Very fast and exciting. come to this kick out and you have to slow down or you fly off like we did just then. So anyway, I do like this. The Mercedes is designed for this track. And I think that as we go forward in the... Oh, there you go. Pulls it in for a drift as well. As we get further along in the catalogue, the race courses are going to get longer, more demanding, use more space on the counter here from our... Whoa! Burnouts! From our refurbishment. Let's make this our last lap because it's a small track. Straight past the pit lane. All right then, one more lap for the Queen. Come on then, Queenie. There you go, and into pole position. Oh, boom. We love it. Anyway, Albert, Wilfred, track fans, I'll see you on the next one. Ta-da!